Stay tuned for some snippets from today.
Is that our bus?
Probably, but they come every couple of minutes.
Okay.
And there's multiple buses too.
I'm moving slow today.
I'm not.
Pete's having trouble slowing down to match me. Because where are we going?
We're going to Motorrad, Singapore.
And we love buses.
But I've got this cold breeze under my legs, and we're on the top floor of a 2-story bus. It's pretty cool.
We moved seats.
Yeah. We're looking for a little turnout off Commonwealth Avenue, not named, and then we're walking down the path, which I assume is this path right here.
Why not this path here?
Let's do this path here. So we could probably go this way.
Oh, we are walking. We're walking on this path. That's this path.
Oh, that's this path.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So
Trust me for navigation.
we got off the bus at the right stop though.
Correct.
Now we just don't know where we're going.
This way. We have arrived at BMW, and I believe the motorcycles are in here.
So why are we going outside again?
Because we've come into the performance automobile section of BMW, and also the performance bicycle section.
Right.
And now we're going outside this door because Motorrad has its own building. Eddie's cousin.
We've had a costume change.
I'm wearing a large man's t-shirt, and we have...
I got one too.
I am like a new man. Very good haircut. Probably the best haircut I've ever had, actually.
But I usually cut your hair.
Oh, sorry.
We're at the ABC Brickworks Market and Food Centre. We have a selection of Pakistani food.
I've got chicken tandoori and a sambal egg, some vegetables and rice, and I'm putting my shirt back on because I do not trust myself wearing something white.
Just feels so natural.
What you buying?
I'm buying new headphone ear muff thingy. What's it?
Because they actually have them.
They actually have them here in Singapore. Oh, yes. We've been shopping. And now we go home for a nap because we've got plans tonight.
Culture.
We're about to see this concert.
So exciting. The sound is incredible here at the Esplanade Concert Hall. I just
The
recorded...
Durians.
Oh, that's the Durian Concert Hall. I'll just say that concert was
brilliant.
Absolutely. That concert was phenomenal. I have never experienced live such musical prowess or technical proficiency that those musicians gave us. It was just incredible.
I wanted to see the Debussy because I know I like Debussy, but I didn't know that I liked Stravinsky. Apparently I love Stravinsky. Who knew?
And I will say, during the Debussy, first movement I think, I had a tear in my eye. It was so moving.
Not because somebody had too much perfume on?
No. It was loud, it was in tune, it was balanced.
Yeah.
Just next level.
As you, I think I'm saying that right. I hope I'm saying that right. He was fantastic. Soloist for the Stravinsky. And then because we clapped and cheered enough, he came back out and he played one of the Bach Prelude Suites for solo violin. I don't think I've ever been to a classical concert where the soloist was like, yeah, I'll just play you another one. Actually, I think Nigel Kennedy might have done that. But you know, he's like punk, not really classical. Right. So that was just phenomenal.
About 70 musicians on stage. And I tell you, their sound was like 300 plus.
Epic.
Very.
Absolutely.
Epic. So, success.
Adventures, once again, signing off. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes.
Good night. And there's a merlion back there somewhere.
There is a merlion back there somewhere.
There's a merlion back there somewhere. Okay.
Oh, you going to start?
Am I going to start?
Or am I going to start?